Ever come across a faceless YouTube channel that's grown super fast? Like, this channel is less than a year old, has over 819K subscribers with only 347 videos, and gets millions of views every month.
Oh my god! Wow!
Shocking, right? But here's the secret: they're simply uploading videos with stock footage and an AI voiceover. Well, what if I told you there's now a free tool that allows you to do the same thing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks in seconds with the power of AI. The amazing tool we're using is called Fliki, and they have a brand new feature called Idea to Video. Here's how it works: you simply describe what you want your short video to be about in one sentence. Fliki's AI then takes over and writes the script, chooses the perfect stock footage, creates a natural-sounding voiceover, adds subtitles to your video, and even selects some awesome background music, all within seconds. So, what kind of content can you create with Fliki? There are endless possibilities. For example, I found this fantastic YouTube channel called Nature Lens. They specialize in creating informative videos about animals, and guess what? You can bet they're using similar methods to create their engaging content. This channel is less than a year old and already has over 800,000 subscribers. Their most popular videos, according to Social Blade, have racked up over 20 million views each. With millions of views every month, it's safe to say this channel is pulling in thousands of dollars. Let's take a look at one of their videos and see what makes it makes.
This is why you don't want to touch this creature. Meet the electric eel, nature's most electrifying creature. Electric eels can produce 8 times more voltage of electricity than your household outlet, up to 860 volts, enough to take down a crocodile.
These videos consist entirely of stock footage, AI voiceover, subtitles, and background music, exactly the elements Fliki's Idea to Video feature can handle perfectly. So, let's get started creating your own viral video with Fliki. First of all, head over to Fliki. I've conveniently placed the link in the video description for your easy access. Simply click the link and create an account to get rolling. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main screen. To start a new project, navigate to Files and select New File. For this example, let's create a video similar to the one we saw earlier. Give your project a catchy title and insert the topic of your video in a simple sentence. Once you are satisfied with details, hit Submit and watch Fliki's AI work its magic. In just seconds, you'll have a complete short video with several scenes, text overlays, footage, and even a voiceover, all based on your single sentence prompt. Now, let's polish this little gem. Head over to Settings and adjust the aspect ratio to Portrait for optimal viewing on mobile devices. Hit Save to lock those changes in. The subtitle settings Fliki chose aren't quite what I had in mind, so let's personalize them a bit. Select any text on the left side, and you'll see the subtitle menu pop up on the right. I'm going for a clean, eye-catching look, so I'll move the subtitles to the middle of the screen and switch the font to Oswald for a modern touch. Increasing the size to large and setting the display to Word will ensure the subtitles appear word by word, building suspense. Lastly, let's make them pop by choosing a bright yellow color with a 60% black background opacity for a cool, slightly transparent effect. Don't forget the magic of apply to similar layers. This nifty feature ensures the changes you've made are applied to all the subtitles throughout the video, saving you precious time. Alright, let's take a peek at our creation.
Unveiling the incredible intelligence of crows. Did you know that crows are among the most intelligent birds in the world? Their cleverness is truly astonishing. These remarkable birds have the ability to use tools. They can fashion sticks to retrieve food from tight spaces. Crows don't just use tools, they also create them.
We've created a solid foundation, but as you mentioned, retention rate is crucial for making your short go viral. Here's a special trick to boost retention within Fliki. Specifically for shorts, aim for a 100% retention rate or even higher. Think of it this way: if everyone watched your short twice, you'd have a 200% retention rate, so the key is to keep viewers hooked from start to finish. First, we can significantly increase the visual variety by adding more scenes. Simply duplicate a scene with the existing text, then manually add fresh footage using the image icon. Search for captivating visuals that complement the scene's content. Now, for the special retention boosting trick, select a scene and a specific layer within it. Head over to the top right corner and click on Picture in Picture to add extra elements. Here we use engaging GIFs because they're quick, catchy, funny, and often looping clips perfect for grabbing viewers' attention and boosting short video retention. So, explore Giphy's library and find the perfect GIF to seamlessly integrate into your scene. This little trick can significantly enhance viewer engagement and keep them glued to your short. Now, I'll add a big GIF at the bottom center of the video. I'll repeat this for other scenes to make the video longer. I'll also add a few more GIFs for variety. Lastly, I'll change the voiceover to something impressive. Fliki offers an amazing range of AI voices in over 75 languages, including different dialects. I'll pick a voice from the United Kingdom. Once I find one I like, I'll apply it to all the voiceovers. And that's it! Let's check out the final video.
Unveiling the incredible intelligence of crows. Did you know that crows are among the most intelligent birds in the world? Their cleverness is truly astonishing. These remarkable birds have the ability to use tools. They can fashion sticks to retrieve food from tight spaces. Crows don't just use tools, they also create them. They'll bend wires into hooks to fish out insects or scraps. Their memory is exceptional. Crows can recognize and remember human faces, distinguishing between friend and foe. Social interaction is a big part of their lives. They work together to solve problems and warn each other of dangers. Crows have been observed holding what appears to be funerals for their dead, showing signs of what could be mourning. Lastly, they can mimic human voices and other sounds they hear in their environment, showcasing their incredible adaptability and intelligence.
If you're looking to make your YouTube shorts go viral, I've got some tips for you. Check out the links in the description of my videos for more details. Plus, I've made a bunch more videos all about growing your YouTube channel, so be sure to give those a watch too. You'll find plenty of helpful advice to boost your channel's success.